Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tab Lab here, back at it with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get free Bitcoin at Shake Shack while using Cash App. Okay, so if you're new to Cash App, it's a full service banking and investing app. You have your balance down here in the bottom left. You have the card next to that. We're on the peer-to-peer payment screen. Then we have investing in stocks and investing in Bitcoin. I make videos about all of the stuff within this app, so definitely check out the other videos on my channel if you're interested. So for this, you do need the Cash App card. It's very simple. Anybody with the app can get this card, and then basically they'll send you a physical card in the mail, and then whenever you swipe that card or use it for online payments, it's gonna spend from your balance there in the bottom left. So the cool thing about this card is you can get boosts, which are like unique little discounts that they're always switching in and out. Twitch, Burger King, Fight Club, Voodoo, all of this different stuff that's constantly rotating. The one we're looking at today is the earn 15% worth of Bitcoin on each purchase at Shake Shack. So this expires in 20 days. Minimum purchase of $1.50, and the max Bitcoin earned per purchase is going to be $7.50, and you can use this once every 24 hours. So if I want to go to Shake Shack 20 days in a row and get 15% back in Bitcoin, I can do that right now. So all you need to do is tap add boost, and this is now active on your account. Tap done. And then for like every $10 you spend at Shake Shack, you're gonna get $1.50 free of Bitcoin, and they just send that straight to your account here. So if you wanna order the Shake Shack, just copy the numbers from your card, go to the Shake Shack app, go ahead, start your order, and use the Cash App card to pay, and you're good to go. You're gonna be earning free Bitcoin whenever you eat there. Sometimes they do this at different restaurants. Probably in your area, there will be different restaurants. Like if there's no Shake Shack, maybe there's some other place that they do this reward with. So you'll have to come into your Cash App, check out what boosts are available. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.